Keeping your golf club spotless is essential for peak performance. The best golf club cleaner makes it effortless to remove dirt, grass, and grime. With easy-to-use design, it ensures longer-lasting clubs and a flawless swing every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Club Doctor Golf Club Cleaner. The Club Doctor Golf Club Cleaner is an essential companion for any golfer who values performance and presentation. This versatile cleaner works effortlessly on drivers, putters, and irons, ensuring every club in your bag receives a deep, thorough clean. Golfers will notice a remarkable improvement in both the appearance and functionality of their clubs after just one use. The specially formulated solution removes dirt, grass, and grime, restoring a polished shine that not only enhances the look of your clubs, but also improves grip and swing consistency. By keeping your clubs in peak condition, the Club Doctor contributes to better on-course performance, helping deliver more accurate and controlled shots. Beyond cleaning, it also extends the lifespan of your clubs by preventing rust, corrosion, and general wear and tear, which means your investment remains protected over the long term. Many users appreciate that this cleaner doesn't just maintain aesthetics, but actively boosts confidence on the course, as well-maintained clubs feel more reliable during play. Its reputation among golfers of all levels speaks to its effectiveness, from casual weekend players to seasoned pros. Whether preparing for a tournament or enjoying a casual round, the Club Doctor ensures your clubs are consistently in top shape. For golfers looking to maintain their gear, improve performance, and potentially increase resale value, this cleaner is a reliable, must-have solution that combines efficiency, safety, and ease of use, making club maintenance both simple and satisfying. Number 2. Scrubi Golf Club Cleaner. The Scrubi Golf Club Cleaner is designed for golfers who want a practical and effective solution to keep their clubs spotless without hassle. Equipped with strong nylon bristles, it efficiently removes dirt and debris from every type of club without causing scratches or damage. Its durable ABS thermoplastic construction ensures long-lasting use, even when exposed to water and frequent cleaning sessions. One of the standout features of the Scrubi cleaner is its portability. Lightweight and compact, it fits perfectly in your golf bag, making it convenient to bring along during rounds. The clever no-spill design allows you to add just a half cup of water and clean your clubs anywhere on the course. Additionally, Scrubi offers adaptable mounting options, including a bracket for your golf bag, cart, or click gear, making it customizable to your setup and ensuring easy access whenever needed. Users find it especially convenient for quick touch-ups between shots, maintaining clean grooves and a polished finish that helps optimize ball spin and club control. Its waterproof design guarantees no mess during use, and cleanup afterward is effortless. Overall, the Scrubi Golf Club Cleaner provides a reliable, efficient, and practical solution for golfers of all skill levels. By combining portability, durability, and innovative design, it simplifies club maintenance and allows players to focus on performance, keeping clubs ready for every round with minimal effort. Number 3. WizBottle Golf Club Cleaner Review. For golfers who value convenience and portability, the WizBottle Golf Club Cleaner is an innovative option that combines efficiency with user-friendly design. Compact and lightweight, it easily fits in a golf bag or pocket, making it perfect for on-the-go cleaning between holes. Its exclusive dirt filter system, which is a U.S. patent-pending feature, keeps sand and debris at the bottom, preventing backflow and ensuring a clean solution every time. This clever design maintains hygiene while allowing for thorough cleaning of clubs and golf balls without transferring grime. Another advantage is its tool-free maintenance. The device can be disassembled and cleaned quickly without the need for additional equipment, making upkeep simple and hassle-free. The replaceable brush ensures long-lasting performance, as it can be swapped out when worn, maintaining the same level of cleaning efficiency over time. Many golfers also find the WizBottle to be an ideal gift for enthusiasts, as is suitable for men, women, and even kids, making it a versatile and practical accessory for tournaments or casual rounds. Despite its compact size, it does not compromise on functionality, effectively removing dirt from grooves and club faces while keeping balls pristine. With this cleaner, golfers can enjoy a polished, professional look for their equipment at all times, boosting confidence and consistency on the course. Its portability, innovative filtration system, and simple maintenance make the WizBottle Golf Club Cleaner a standout tool for players who prioritize efficiency and practicality. Number 4. Tdrynl Golf Club Cleaner. The Tdrynl Golf Club Cleaner stands out as a comprehensive, all-in-one cleaning solution that caters to every aspect of golf club maintenance. This 7-piece pro kit includes a golf club cleaner, polish, grip cleaner, dual-sided brush, groove cleaner, magnetic towel, groove sharpener, and a leather valuables bag, offering everything needed for a complete club care routine. Designed for deep cleaning, it removes dirt, rust, and oxidation, restoring irons, drivers, and putters to like new condition. The polish enhances the club's appearance while the grip cleaner revives tackiness, improving control and confidence during swings. With the groove cleaner and sharpener, players can maintain optimal spin and precision, which directly impacts performance. One of the most significant benefits is protection. Regular use preserves the value of your clubs, extending their lifespan and maintaining resale potential. The kit's alcohol and ammonia-free formulas make it safe for all club types, grips, and even golf bags, ensuring no damage while cleaning. Its versatility surpasses basic cleaning tools, catering to both casual golfers and seasoned pros seeking professional-level maintenance. Golfers consistently praise the Tdrynl kit for its ability to combine convenience with thoroughness, providing polished clubs and reliable performance round after round. Whether used before a tournament or after a casual game, this complete cleaning solution addresses every need for club care, delivering impressive results while safeguarding your equipment. For anyone serious about maintaining their golf clubs, the Tdrynl Golf Club Cleaner Kit offers an unmatched combination of quality, safety, and efficiency. Number 5. Wedge Washa Golf Club Cleaner. The Wedge Washa Golf Club Cleaner is a thoughtfully designed tool that elevates golf club maintenance to a new level. One of its standout features is the 30-inch magnetic reel with anti-sag technology, which keeps the brush securely in place and prevents dangling, making it a convenient and premium addition to any golf bag. This clever design ensures that the Wedge Washa is always within easy reach, allowing golfers to clean their clubs quickly and efficiently during rounds. Another highlight is the integrated water bottle, which makes it simple to remove dirt, mud, and grass from club heads without carrying extra supplies. The firm yet gentle bristles provide a deep clean without damaging premium clubs, including PXG models, preserving both the appearance and performance of your equipment. Portability is enhanced by the chic carabiner hook, which allows golfers to attach the cleaner to their bags effortlessly, combining functionality with style. Additionally, the Wedge Washa comes in gift-ready packaging and exclusive designs such as In My Golf Era and Life's Short, Swing Hard, making it a perfect present for golf enthusiasts. Many users appreciate its blend of practicality and premium aesthetics, as it keeps clubs polished and ready for play while adding a touch of sophistication to their golf gear. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.